Welcome back.
Welcome back. What are we going to draw today, Alma?
A snowman.
A cute snowman. Grab your pencils and let's start. At the bottom of the page, draw a circle, but leave the top portion open to create space for connecting it to the rest of the drawing. Not bad, but let's make it more of a circle. You can shade it in lightly to represent the shadow, adding depth and dimension to your drawing if you like. Start at the top of the circle and add 2 small curved lines for the scarf. I see you are still working on the shadows. I will wait for you. Take as much time as you need. When you are done, add the scarf folds each side of the circle. Beautiful. Now on the opposite side as well. From the top of the scarf folds, draw a semicircle bowing down. Leave a small gap in the middle. Draw the line from here to here. Well done. Now where we left the gap, let's add a curved line to connect the 2 lines. Beautiful. From this point, draw a line going down, and another one. And another one, slightly longer, that will overlap with the top part of the scarf. Excellent. It looks great. Now let's finish the scarf.
Can you show me how?
Connect this point with this one. And this point with this one. From the top of the scarf, let's draw 2 curved lines for the sides on the head. Very good. The head of a snowman is typically drawn as a circle, but since we're adding a hat, adjust the top of the circle to be slightly flattened. This will create the impression of the hat resting snugly on the snowman's head, giving it a more realistic and polished appearance. Next, let's draw the base of the hat as a wide, horizontal oval. Position it just above the flattened top of the snowman's head, extending slightly beyond the head on both sides. Very good. Now let's add the nose, a big smile, and the eyes. Let's draw the top of the hat. Start here and draw a straight line. And another one here. Close the top of the hat with a curved line, and let's add some details. Finally, let's add the buttons, and this is our cute snowman.
Like a surprise.
Not yet. I will let you know when. But you are very good at this. I am surprised. Well done. Let's bring in some vibrant colors. Great work, everyone. Nicely done. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video,
Like a surprise.
that's right. Well done, Alma. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. What were your favorite moments? Also, if you have a special request, please leave a comment and I will do my best to draw it. Until next time, stay curious and be creative.